Hello, welcome to Auditarfa TV. Today I'm going to show you how I made this bucket of chin chin. I already have a chin chin recipe on the channel, but it's for a small batch of chin chin. As I was going to make some buckets of chin chin, I decided to show you the recipe. Can you count how many times I said chin chin? Okay, guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. Let's move over to the recipe. So this is 30 cups of flour. And into this I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. I'm going to put in nutmeg. I like using the whole nutmeg instead of the already grated one because this one's flavor is quite intense. I prefer it to the already processed one, so I like to grate it myself. I'm going to put in some salt. All the measurements will be in the description. Please check it out. I'm adding baking powder. Adding some milk flour. This is 3 tablespoons of milk flavor, sorry, not milk flour. I'm adding some vanilla powder for flavor. I like adding vanilla to my chin chin. If you've not been adding vanilla to your chin chin, you should do so. It gives it a better taste and flavor. So just whisk everything together. You can use your hand for this. So I'm going to add my margarine now. Use good quality margarine. You can melt this if you want, but I just want to add like this. I'm adding about 750 grams of margarine. So I'm going to, with clean hands, so just mix. What we want to achieve is a crumbly texture where the margarine and everything just mixes properly and becomes quite crumbly like this. You can flavor your chin chin any way you want, really. There's no restriction. You can put some cinnamon to give it some cinnamon flavor. You can put some coconut. You can just be adventurous with it, okay? Okay, so I'll just make it well. Prepare it for the wet ingredients. I'm pouring my egg in now. So 6 eggs I've got in there. Putting in milk now. Putting in water. I like to put half part milk, half part water sometimes. Sometimes I use milk all through as my liquid. Just depending on the situation. With clean hands, I'm going to mix now. energy. Just be patient. It will all come together gradually. Don't be tempted to add more liquid to make it more runny and manageable. Just keep working it and it will come together. Now it has really come together. I'm going to, this is quite a large batch. I'm just going to transfer it to a surface and knead it gently for a short period, just to make sure everything is incorporated. And to do that, I'm going to divide this because I can't handle all this at once. It's too much. I'm dividing it into 3 just to make the process easier for me. So I'm going to do the same to the other 2 pieces. Lightly floor the surface. Make sure it's a clean surface, just light. Just cut it to your desired size. Try and make them the same size. It's quite difficult, but the closer the eye size, the better. You can see I dipped my pizza cutter in flour just to make sure some flour goes into the cuts so that they don't stick together. So for some reason my hand is not going straight today. I'm taking it out. When you take it out, keep it on a paper towel so it will absorb the oil.